If you've ever felt the frustration of trying to illustrate and select objects, but you keep accidentally picking up the background elements, like so, we've got a solution in BioRender called Lock, where you can actually lock down objects, particularly background elements, so that you can actually go and select foreground elements without picking up the background. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit for you so you can see. And what I'm going to want to do in this case is perhaps lock down this cross-section of a nucleus, as well as this light sort of cytosol color that I'll probably accidentally pick up if I, say, want to move this section of proteins in the foreground or genes. So what I'm going to do is select the icon, come up here to the Lock Object option, or I can actually right-click and do the same thing from the right-click menu. So I'm going to go ahead and select Lock Object. Now this object is no longer movable. In fact, it's actually picking up the object behind that, which is the cytosol color here. So I'm going to do the same thing for this block of color, right-clicking and locking the object. So now if I try to pick up anything in the foreground, it will only pick up those elements, and it will not pick up the nucleus nor the cytosol color. And if you'd like to unlock it, you can manually select the object, and you see here the little lock symbol does show up. I can right-click and then unlock the object if necessary, if I do want to move it again. So I'll go ahead and do that, and now it's free to move again. So that's locking and unlocking an object. If I have more than one object locked and I can't quite remember what objects on my canvas are locked and which ones aren't, you can actually unlock all objects on your canvas by coming up here to the Unlock All option in the toolbar, and that's actually going to unlock all of the locked objects on your canvas all at once. So let me do that now, and you can see that all the objects are now able to be moved. And that's how I would lock objects or unlock objects in BioRender.